Hello, YouTube. This is Madeline Shurtleff with Otska Pharmaceutical Development and Commercialization. Recently, PsychU hosted a webinar titled Behavioral Health Quality Trends Affecting Payers. During the discussion, our speakers reviewed the marked impact that behavioral health quality measures, social determinants of health, and health equity policies have on payers. This presentation was sponsored by Otsuka Pharmaceutical Development and Commercialization and Lundbeck, both committed supporters of the mental health treatment community. Our speaker is a paid employee of Otsuka Pharmaceuticals, and I am an employee of OPDC. Let's look at a few clips from the webinar.
A lot of what happened with telehealth was that states and CMS and payers alike all kind of rallied around this modality and really tried to come up with ways to make it work for everyone. And that meant waiving some of the rules that had previously been in place that I think at some point we realized were rate limiting factors. So things like geographic connection. We were having telehealth operate across state lines when it made sense and when it was, appropriate and you had the right providers, involved in that. We also saw the lessening of co-pays. If some plans before had telehealth options, but they either came at a different copay than the primary care copay or something like that. So we saw, quite frankly, during the pandemic, we saw a waiving of copay because it was an opportunity to get patients to still be connected to the healthcare system that they needed, but be able to do it in a way that made more sense. We also saw things like audio only versus video and audio requirements. Now, I think we have to kind of go back to the drawing board, take the lessons we learned from the pandemic and say, what makes the most sense for a sustainable telehealth system, moving forward? Maybe there is a time where you need to have the video capability, but you also don't want to leave out patients who don't have access to broadband internet or a smartphone. You want to still make sure that even if it's just audio, they're still connected to the system.
Thank you for watching our YouTube teaser. To watch the entire webinar, please click on the link in the description below. Be sure to register for upcoming webinars and watch other on-demand webinars while you're there as well. Have a great day.